Hi, welcome to the studio where I will show you how you can publish your Shopify account, Shopify store. So let's get started. First of all, log into your Shopify store and open your Shopify admin page. And now from the left menu bar, click on the themes button. After that, click on the preferences button. After clicking the preferences button, fill the home page title bar and now fill the description bar. Now scroll down to password protection. Now you have to unmark the restrict access to visitors when they visit your website. Unmark this option, and that's how you will publish your Shopify. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.